topic that we are going to learn today is side effect rule. Now let us see what is the purpose of side effect rule. Now all of you are familiar with the pre-increment and post-increment operator. So if this operator is used before any variable, then that is called as pre-increment or pre-decrement operation. If this operator is used after the variable, then it is called as a post-increment or post-decrement operator. Now sometimes what happen, we will having some arithmetic expression where we are having pre-increment as well as post-increment. So what we have to do, which one to prefer first? Now the characteristic of pre-increment is that we have to perform the operation first and then we have to assign the value. Whereas in post-increment, first the value is assigned, then the increment is done. Again see what happens in pre-increment, first we will increment, second operation will be the assignment operation. But in post-increment, first will be the assignment operator and second will be the increment operator. For example, if I am having an expression plus x plus x, now we are having unary operator pre-increment and binary operator addition. This is a binary addition and this is a unary increment operator. Then which one to perform first? Here first operation that has to be performed is pre-increment or decrement. Second operation that we have to perform is a binary operation. Third operation that we have to perform is a assignment operator. And the last operation that we have to perform is a post-increment or decrement operation. Now in our case we are having a binary operator and then unary operator. So first operation that we have to perform is unary increment, and then second operation that we have to perform is binary addition. Now let us see. X equals to plus x plus x minus minus. Let the value of x is 5. Now what happens in this case, the first pre-increment will be done. So plus 5 will going to give you 6. Second, the binary operation is done. So 6 plus the value of x is 5 as it is. So 6 plus 5 will be 11. This value 11 will be now stored into x. After lastly we apply the post decrement. So the value of x will be decremented to 10. So the final value of x here is 10. See again what is the sequence of operation. First we have to apply the pre-increment or decrement, then the binary operation, then the assignment operator, and then lastly we have to apply the post increment or decrement. So first we have incremented the value of x from 5 to 6. Then we have performed the binary operation 6 plus 5 equals to 11. We assign this value to x. Now after last we have applied the post decrement. So the value 11 get decremented to 10. Now let us see one question based on increment, pre-increment and post-increment and pre-decrement and post-decrement, which is asked in GATE 2017. Here we are having one variable called m, which is initialized to value 10. We are having two other variable which is declared but not initialized, n and n1. What I have performed here is a pre-increment. So first the value will be incremented, that becomes 11, and it will assign to n. So the value of n is 11. Then here what we have done, we have post increment. As we know that post increment is done after assignment operation, first the value of m will be assigned to n1. The latest value of m is 10, and that will be assigned to n1. So as we incremented the value of m, so it becomes 11. Now next, the value of m is assigned to n1. So value of m assigned to n1 is 11. After that we are having post increment, so the value of m will be incremented to 12. Then we are having a decrement operator on small n, so n will be decremented to 10. We have decrement operator on n1 also, so the value of n1 will be decremented and it becomes 10. Then lastly we are having subtraction and assignment operator, which is equivalent to n minus n1 equals to n1. The value will be stored into n. So as we know the value of n as well as n1 is 10, then 10 minus 10 will be evaluating to 0. So the output printed will be 0. So this is the concept of pre-increment and post-increment, pre-decrement and post-decrement. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.